What's up, guys? This isn't a repair video. It's more of a quick tutorial on how I set up Streamer.bot using OBS. There's been a couple of people that have asked about it, so I just wanted to put something out there for reference so that they have something to go off of. This is my process. Everybody's a little bit different, but let me show you what I do. So this is going to be a quick edit. Apparently I forgot something. You want to go up here to Tools, WebSocket Server Settings, and Enable WebSocket Server. You want to have that enabled so that way your OBS can connect to your Streamer.bot. First thing you want to do is open up the Streamer.bot right here, and you want to make sure that your platform is connected, which right here, Rusty Russ Repairs, is connected. And then you also want to make sure that under your Stream Apps, your OBS is connected. I have OBS opened up right now because I'm recording, so you can see that it's connected. Another way to check is right here, our Streamer.bot, YouTube, my Stream Deck, and then Stream Elements. These two you guys might not have. And then OBS Studio, all in the green, everything's connected. So once I get that all set up and everything is connected, I go here. So this is MK Fix. He's actually doing a live stream right now. So I'm just gonna take a snippet and I push on the keyboard, Windows Shift R, pulls up the screen record menu. I'm gonna highlight the part that I wanna record and click start. It's gonna do a countdown, 3, 2, 1. And then I'm going to go ahead and play the video.
All right, so yeah, 21st of December, me, JFix, Rusty Russ, Swindon Electronics Repairs, and some bald guy are going to do a charity stream.
Perfect. Stop it right there. Stop the recording. This pops up. Edit in Clipchamp is usually what I use. It's going to get a little repetitive here, so just bear with me. As soon as this pops up, I'm going to go ahead and push play on the video.
All right, so yeah.
Right about there. And then I'm going to drag this about to there, delete this gap, start the video again.
21st of December, me, JFix, Rusty Russ, Swindon Electronics Repairs, and some bald guy are going to do a charity stream.
Perfect, right there. And then I'm going to trim it down to stop right there. You can play it back again if you want to make sure that you have it exactly where you want it. But you want to click on export. I don't pay for this service, so I just do 1080p. Let it upload. And then right here, pay attention to the length, right? It's 9 seconds long. So we're going to go ahead and save computer. And I have a 16 terabyte storage, and I usually save all my commands under this command folder right here. And I will rename this clip December 21 and hit save. Now we can go ahead and close all this out, minimize this, and take you back over to the OBS. So in my OBS, you can see that I have my scenes and my sources. So in my scenes, I'm gonna add that clip that we just took to every single one of these scenes. So let's just, for demonstration purposes, I'm gonna go ahead and click on plus, media source, and then we're gonna name it December 21, click OK. I'm gonna browse, and we're going to go back to my 16 terabyte storage under commands, and we're going to find December 21. Go ahead and open that up. And as soon as I click OK, it's going to start playing the video. So I'll hit the pause button right here, and I'm going to resize it, and then I'm going to show you how to fix the audio. So click OK.
21st of December.
Pause it, and we can resize it. Now if you hold Alt on the keyboard, you can actually crop the image to what you want, just like this, and we're going to leave it just about like that. Put it up here. Now under the settings, under audio mixer, there's these little cogs. You want to click on that, and we're going to see December 21 right here. And we're going to go ahead and select monitor and output, click close. And so now you should be able to hear the clip.
Me, JFix, Rusty Russ, Swindon Electronics.
And you want to pay attention to this audio mixer bar right here. If it's in the red, you want to reduce the decibels. If it's in the yellow, it's probably pretty good. Or if you want a little bit quieter, you want to go into the green. So now that that's in here, I'm actually going to hide it with this little eyeball. And then we're going to right click, copy it, and we're going to paste it into all of our scenes right here. You're not going to be able to see everything because when I go through my scenes, it's actually going to change the camera view. So if I go over to my desktop right here, and then I'm going to right click under sources, and then I'm going to click paste reference. Okay, so let me go back to the desktop, right click, paste
21st
reference.
of December.
And so now I have this clip under the desktop view right here. So once you have that, let's head over to the Streamer.bot. And so now what you want to do is click on actions, actions, and then these are all the commands that I have set up. So what I'm going to do here is right click, add, and then type in December 21, click OK. So now we have our December 21 action. We need to add a trigger. So if we right click here, we're going to click on add, core, commands, command triggered. We're going to create a command. We're going to name it December 21. And the commands that are going to be used to trigger it, I'm going to do exclamation mark December 21. And then I'm going to add another one, exclamation mark charity. And then under locations, we have start, exact, and anywhere. So if somebody was to type this in the chat, do you want it to trigger if somebody puts it at the start of a sentence, in an exact location of a sentence, or anywhere in the sentence? I usually choose anywhere. Then under sources, you want to make sure you click on all the sites that you stream to. I usually just do YouTube, but if you're on Kick, you can do that as well. And I just leave on Twitch because it's already on by default. You can have it to where only moderators, subscribers, or VIPs trigger the command. You just slide it over here. I don't have any members or anything like that, so I just leave everything under available. Then we're going to go ahead and click OK, and click OK again. So now we have a trigger, and our trigger is exclamation mark December 21, exclamation mark charity. And then so what you're going to want to do is under sub actions. So if you right click on the sub action, click on add, OBS Studio, sources, set source visibility state. And so now our connection, we're going to go ahead and select OBS, and under scenes, because we're going to copy and paste that clip into every single scene under OBS, we're going to go ahead and be able to find the clip in every single one of these. But for demonstration purposes, I'm just going to go ahead and click on the desktop view for the bigger screen that I have. And the source, you should be able to find down at the bottom the clip that you just put in, December 21. The state visible, you want to go ahead and leave that, click OK. Now you want to go ahead and right click this, duplicate that sub action, and now you have two visible sources. So now you want to double click on one and turn one back into hidden. Click OK. And so now we have one visible and one hidden. The next thing you want to do is right click, add, core, delay. Now if we remember when we went into the clip champ, we seen that the video was about 9 seconds long. Here it's measured in milliseconds. So we're going to go 9,000 milliseconds, which is 9 seconds. Click OK. And you want to drag the delay in between the visible and the hidden source right here. So when the trigger, command triggered, is put in, the sub action is going to show the clip visible for 9 seconds and then make it back into hidden. So if we were to right click right here and test.
21st of December, me, JFix, Rusty Russ, Swindon Electronics Repairs, and some bald guy are going to do a charity stream.
And that's how you do it. So now I need to do that for every single scene. I'm going to right click, add, OBS, sources, set source visibility, OBS, and then we're going to go ahead and put that under the next scene that I have, which would be the desktop small, and click on December 21, make sure it's visible, click OK, right click, duplicate, double click one and make one hidden, click OK. Make the visible one go above the delay. You want all your visibles to be above the delay, and then it's going to trigger to hide it again. This is where it gets really tedious. Just keep rolling. We're going to right click, add, OBS, sources, set source visibility, OBS. The next scene that I'm going to do is my top view. I don't have any set for my front cam, so I'm just going to ignore that one. Top view, all the way down at the bottom, December 21, visible, okay. Right click, duplicate, double click, hidden, okay. Visible above the delay. right click, add, OBS, sources, set source visibility, OBS. And then we're going to go to the next one, which is the top view with the meters. Scene sources all the way down at the bottom, December 21, visible, okay. Right click, duplicate, double click. One of them's hidden, click OK. Visible one above the delay. So now if I go to my top view, I right click, test trigger.
21st of December,
There it is.
me, JFix, Rusty Russ, Swindon Electronics Repairs, and some bald guy are going to do a charity stream.
So that's how I set up Streamer.bot with OBS. Hopefully that was pretty clear. If you guys have any questions, please just leave them in the comments. If it did help anybody, please drop a like. Yeah, so just a quick video. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Later.